Well, hello everybody. Welcome once again to a little talk just to give you some inspiration and to hopefully, I don't know, make your day a little bit nicer and for you to enjoy who you are and what's happening in your world right now. Now that's an interesting concept, isn't it? To enjoy what's happening in your world right now. But I was just actually talking to some beautiful Ishaya friends of mine, and we were talking about just how everything that we have going on around us is a gift for us to simply recognize how to be more present, how to find the little gems of goodness and joy in our lives right now, how to grow as beautiful human beings and appreciate the relationships that we have, and to, I don't know, give to each other, share with each other. It's almost like coming back to basics. And I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but I was even noticing how much my life has changed this year, last year. And I hope this doesn't sound really shallow or anything. But even like before, on my days off, I used to need to go somewhere or do something, go shopping. And it's like so irrelevant now. It's like, well, definitely since days off have actually changed too, because working at home, working from home means that, you know, lifestyles have changed and rhythms have changed, commitments and scheduling has changed, taken on a whole new flavor. But also, I think just our needs have changed. Well, let me just own that. My needs have changed, or where I believed I needed to get things or accumulate things to bring me joy. And it's like, it's just seeing the simplicity again in our lives, in this moment, in what we have, having a greater appreciation for what we have and what does bring us joy. And it's almost like those simple things have been highlighted, just the inner work, the ability to just be here now, the ability to just reach out to friends, the ability to just be happy. And I know for me, that's way more important than knowing things or buying things or accumulating things. And I feel very blessed that way, that my stimulus, or what, where I'm finding my happiness, is actually very much in my home, or in my environment. And I'm giving you a little look of my environment right now. This was actually a photo from my walk about 2 hours earlier. So, so here's a little bit that I'm sharing with you of where I am. And to see trees, to see mountains, to see the native woods, to have views, to have beautiful clouds. It's like seeing the beauty in what we have, seeing the beauty in where we are, seeing the appreciation and the gratitude, having the appreciation and the gratitude for what is in our environment right now. Instead of always chasing something and needing something to bring us joy, or to feel fulfilled, or to feel like today was filled of good things because I had to go somewhere or buy something. And it's like the simplicity of our lives is being shown to us, but also that's very spiritual, isn't it? That's our growth. It's actually letting go. I mean, that's the difference between chaos and peace. Chaos is the accumulation and the accumulation of thoughts and ideas and stuff too. And peace is the letting go of that and being calm and able to rest into this moment. Enlightenment, these big words, is the ability to be here now and to recognize God now, recognize the infiniteness now, instead of needing and going and finding and doing and accomplishing and taking on board all these things. To just realize the truth for how it is for you, the good for how it is for you right now, and let that be enough. To stop searching and looking for and needing things, and to realize we just don't need, and to just let go and relax into what you have now and what is now, and to relax into you now, who you are, instead of changing that or needing that to be different. So a little message from the mountaintop today from me is just, again, bring everything back to ourselves, bring it back to now, and let the simplicity just take over. Give up the phone for a few minutes or a few hours. Give up the stimuli that's supposed to tell you things or make you happy or feed you information, and just return into this beautifulness that just is in all its glory, which is this present moment and your involvement in this moment. That's how we're meant to be, you know. That's what feeds my soul. That's what feeds every cell of my being, is that connection to now and the ability to rest here now. And in doing that, recognizing the joy and the sacred and the beauty and the love that's here without needing anything added to it. And then we celebrate and we enjoy the world that we have with all the things in it. But we don't need those things. I say that not like, oh, I don't need it, so I'm going to push it away. No, there's a difference between grasping and needing and frantically trying to get more versus sitting in this moment and enjoying what is, which could be the beauty of your lounge and the gorgeous textures of the fabrics around you. So it's not a denial, but it's a presence and a relationship to being present with what is in our world right now with us, and celebrating that with everything that's here now, recognizing its placement and the joy that it brings us. So everybody, I'll always keep reminding all of us to play with being present, to recognize the beauty and the appreciation that comes from that, and just how, and no matter what's happening in our lives right now, we can return into our center and just enjoy, even though other things are changing all around us. I love you all very much, and I hope that you enjoyed this little tidbit for today.